Today, we'll be covering the basics of Python syntax and data types. Here's a simple Python program that calculates the sum of two numbers. num1 equals 10. num2 equals 20. Sum equals num1 plus num2. Print, the sum of num1 and num2 is sum. Okay, now, let's break down this program line by line. The first two lines of code assign the values 10 and 20 to the variables num1 and num2, respectively. Variables are used to store values that can be used later in the program. The third line of code adds num1 and num2 together and assigns the result to the variable summa. Finally, the last line of code prints out the result using the print function. The print function is used to display output to the user. If you want to know more about the print function, check my last video on how to print Hello World in Python. Now, let's take a look at some of the different data types in Python. Python has several built-in data types, including integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Integers are whole numbers, like 5, 10, or -15. Floats are numbers with decimals, like 3.14, 1.5, or -0.5. Strings are sequences of characters enclosed in quotes. For example, hello, world, Python, or 42. Booleans are values that can only be true or false. They're often used in conditional statements to control program flow. Here's an example of a simple conditional statement. Num equals 10. If num greater than 0, print num is positive, else print num is negative or 0. In this program, the variable num is assigned the value 10. The if statement checks whether num is greater than 0. If it is, the program prints out 10 is positive. If not, the program prints out 10 is negative or 0. That's it for this video on Python syntax and data types. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.